Hey, what's up, guys? Black Weather Snipes back at you with another video. Today I want to go over Presearch. This is a search engine coin, decentralized, but I don't really care too much about the technicals. This is just basically strictly based off of the technicals. As you can see, this is the weekly chart, um, and you can see it's been forming a zone, and you can see it just broke out of that zone. Now this has 4 days to close, but if it holds out of this zone, then that's obviously bullish, especially with the 5 day crossing the 20 simple moving average. So like I said in the deeper video, guys, you want to see where else is this happening in the chart, specifically pertaining to Presearch, to see, if this is a good buying opportunity. So if we go all the way back to February or March of 2021, you can see when this 5 day crossed the 20 day, it went absolutely bananas. So it was at 4 cent, and then it shot all the way up to 44 cent when that crossed. Then you go to the next iteration of when it crossed, and this was January of 2023. So it crossed that 4 cent again, uh, and it came all the way up to 15 cent. So the first time it was about a 10x, and this time it was a 4x. So you can see when this crossed, it does really well for the stock, or in this case, crypto. Um, it does really good for the chart or the underlying asset. So you can see when it crossed here. Now we wouldn't really look too much at this because the EMAs are pretty much flat, but even applying the same logic, you can see it crossed at 2 cent, and it came all the way up to about 0.065 cent. So even then it was a 3x with these EMAs flat. So you can see out of the whole history of this chart, it crossed 3 times, and the smallest X gain that it made was 3X. The highest was 10X. And you, once again, guys, you want to be building your own trading thesis and putting your own facts to build a narrative. So when this crossed in 2021, this was in pretty much during altcoin season, which is why it went so high. So that was post happening. So this is also post happening when it's crossing again. So I would say just based off of that, you would expect a 5-10x gain from here, and that's very possible with it being at 1 cent. I can see it easily going to the 10 cent level, and that lines up with this resistance right here without even um, knowing. So like that lines up perfectly with 10 cent, and that lines up perfectly with that 10x gain we saw earlier at the post happening chart in 2021. Um, so yeah, guys, that's why I'm in this play. Obviously, you would have resistance levels on the way up. This would be a resistance level. Um, this would be a resistance level, and basically these resistance levels are take profit levels. Um, then the next take profit would be about that level right there. So you want to be scaling out of the trade as this is going higher. So like I said, guys, this candle closes in 4 days. Now I entered it right now because, like I said, I want to snipe it. So when you're looking macro level, you're just looking at the weekly and you're looking for trends. And then when you go to the smaller time frames, that's when you really want to get a good entry. So I went to the daily, and as you can see, this zone is more clear now. As you can see, it closed above it, came right back down in the zone. Then you see these wicks, wick here, resistance, wick here, resistance, wick, wick, resistance, wick, resistance. And as you can see, the last 2 days, we had a green candle out of the zone, and then another strong green candle. And now we want to see it retest this level and treat it as support and push higher. So like I said, guys, this is a play that I'm in. I'm going to be holding this for the next 3 weeks to 2-3 months, as it's been crossing on the weekly candle, especially in 4 days. If this still closes above this zone, then I'm definitely going to be holding this for the long term. And also, guys, another thing you want to look at is confluence. The MACD cross, and it's printing greener and greener and greener candles, bigger, stronger, greener candles. So yeah, guys, that's why I'm in this play. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and give me a follow. That's all for this video, guys. I'll get back at you later. Stay safe and stay blessed. Peace.